Did you know that a simple bay leaf can transform your health in ways you never imagined? We often think about the spices we cook with as just adding flavor, but some of them, like bay leaf, are nutritional powerhouses. In today's video, we're diving deep into the health benefits of bay leaf, exploring its incredible properties and how it can improve your overall well-being. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only, and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more relatable topics. Today we're talking about bay leaf, also known as Laurus nobilis. I know what you're thinking, bay leaf, the thing I find at the bottom of my soup pot? Yes, that bay leaf. But this unassuming leaf is more than just a flavor enhancer. It has a rich history dating back to ancient Greece and Rome, where it symbolized victory and was used for its medicinal properties. For centuries, different cultures have incorporated bay leaf into their traditional medicine practices. In Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, bay leaf is used to aid digestion and relieve respiratory issues. Today, modern research is starting to back up some of these traditional uses. Bay leaf comes from the laurel tree, an evergreen tree native to the Mediterranean region. These fragrant leaves are commonly used in cooking, especially in soups, stews, and sauces. Stay tuned as we explore deeper into the specific ways bay leaf can benefit your health. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty and understand how bay leaf works its magic on a cellular level. Remember those compounds we talked about, like eugenol and myrcene? These aren't just fancy scientific names. They're the key players in unlocking bay leaf's health benefits. Eugenol, for instance, is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on our bodies, contributing to various health problems. Eugenol helps to combat this by interfering with the production of inflammatory chemicals in our bodies. Then we have myrcene, which has been studied for its analgesic or pain-relieving properties. It works by interacting with our endocannabinoid system, the same system that cannabis targets, but without the psychoactive effects. This means myrcene can help to naturally reduce pain and discomfort. Bay leaf is also a rich source of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage our cells, contributing to aging and chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Antioxidants neutralize these harmful molecules, protecting our cells and keeping us healthy. Next, we'll explore these benefits in detail, starting with how bay leaf can boost your digestion. Let's talk about digestion, a topic that's crucial to our overall health. Did you know that bay leaf can be a powerful ally in keeping your digestive system happy? Bay leaf stimulates the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes break down food into molecules our bodies can absorb. Bay leaf also soothes the digestive tract, reducing inflammation. Its carminative properties help expel gas, relieving bloating. Incorporate bay leaf into your cooking or try bay leaf tea. Your gut will thank you. Breathe easy with bay leaf for respiratory health. From digestion, let's move on to respiratory health. Breathing is essential, and bay leaf has been used for centuries to support respiratory health. Bay leaf helps clear congestion by loosening mucus. This makes it easier to breathe. Bay leaf also has anti-inflammatory properties. It can soothe irritated airways and reduce lung inflammation. This is beneficial for conditions like asthma and bronchitis. Stay tuned for more health benefits of this remarkable herb. Taming the flame bay leaf's anti-inflammatory power. We've already touched upon bay leaf's anti-inflammatory properties previously, but this benefit deserves a section of its own. Inflammation, as we know, is a natural part of our body's healing process. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to a cascade of health problems from heart disease and diabetes to autoimmune disorders and even cancer. Bay leaf contains potent anti-inflammatory agents, including eugenol, linalool, and phytonutrients like caffeic acid. These compounds work by inhibiting the production of inflammatory chemicals in our bodies, such as prostaglandins and leukotrienes. Studies have shown that bay leaf extract can effectively reduce inflammation in various parts of the body, including the joints, skin, and digestive tract. This makes bay leaf a potential natural remedy for conditions like arthritis, eczema, and inflammatory bowel disease. As we continue our exploration of bay leaf's health benefits, we'll see how its anti-inflammatory properties intertwine with other benefits, such as its ability to improve heart health and regulate blood sugar levels. Antioxidant powerhouse, protecting your cells with bay leaf. In today's world, we're constantly bombarded with free radicals. These unstable molecules are generated by our body's natural processes, but they're also present in environmental pollutants, cigarette smoke, and processed foods. When free radicals outnumber our body's natural defenses, they can cause oxidative stress, damaging our cells and contributing to aging and chronic diseases. This is where antioxidants come in. Antioxidants are powerful compounds that neutralize free radicals, protecting our cells from damage. And guess what? Bay leaf is a rich source of antioxidants. Bay leaf contains a variety of antioxidants including flavonoids, phenolic acids, and vitamin C. These antioxidants work together to combat oxidative stress, protecting our cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that bay leaf extract exhibits strong antioxidant activity, even surpassing the antioxidant capacity of some fruits and vegetables. Stay tuned as we continue to unlock the amazing health benefits of bay leaf. A healthy heart beats on bay leaf for cardiovascular wellness. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, so, taking care of our cardiovascular health is paramount. While lifestyle factors like diet and exercise play a crucial role, incorporating certain herbs and spices like bay leaf can provide an added layer of protection. Bay leaf contains several compounds that contribute to its heart-healthy properties. Potassium, for instance, is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. Bay leaf is a good source of potassium which helps to relax blood vessels and reduce the strain on the heart. Magnesium, another essential mineral found in bay leaf, is also crucial for heart health. Magnesium helps to regulate heart rhythm, prevent artery hardening, and lower blood pressure. By ensuring adequate magnesium intake, bay leaf can contribute to a healthy cardiovascular system. Furthermore, bay leaf's anti-inflammatory properties, which we discussed earlier, also play a role in protecting heart health. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to heart disease, and bay leaf's ability to reduce inflammation throughout the body helps to protect against this devastating condition. Stay tuned as we explore even more ways bay leaf can benefit your health. Balancing act bay leaf for blood sugar control. In today's world, where sugary drinks and processed foods are everywhere, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is more important than ever. Uncontrolled blood sugar can lead to a cascade of health problems, from weight gain and fatigue to serious conditions like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. While lifestyle modifications such as diet and exercise are crucial for managing blood sugar levels, certain herbs and spices like bay leaf have shown promise in supporting healthy blood sugar regulation. Bay leaf contains compounds that can help to improve insulin sensitivity, the hormone responsible for transporting glucose from the bloodstream into our cells for energy. When our cells become resistant to insulin, glucose builds up in the bloodstream, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that bay leaf extract can enhance insulin sensitivity, helping to improve glucose uptake by cells and lower blood sugar levels. This makes bay leaf a potential natural adjunct to conventional diabetes management strategies. Incorporating bay leaf into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support healthy blood sugar regulation. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management is paramount for blood sugar control. Wound healing wonder bay leaf's antimicrobial properties. Throughout history, people have turned to nature's pharmacy to find remedies for various ailments, including wound healing. Bay leaf, with its long history of medicinal use, has been recognized for its ability to promote wound healing, thanks to its potent antimicrobial properties. Bay leaf contains essential oils, such as eugenol and linalool, that possess strong antimicrobial activity against a wide range of bacteria and fungi. These microorganisms can infect wounds, hindering the healing process and leading to complications. Studies have shown that bay leaf extract can effectively inhibit the growth of various bacteria including Staphylococcus aureus, a common culprit in skin infections. This antimicrobial activity makes bay leaf a valuable natural agent for promoting wound healing and preventing infection. Furthermore, bay leaf's anti-inflammatory properties also contribute to its wound healing prowess. While bay leaf should not be considered a substitute for conventional wound care, it can be a helpful adjunct to promote healing and prevent infection. Stay tuned as we explore the final benefit of bay leaf in our deep dive into this remarkable herb. Finding your calm. Bay leaf for anxiety and stress relief. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety have become commonplace. Chronic stress can take a toll on our physical and mental health, leading to a range of problems from headaches and fatigue to more serious conditions like heart disease and depression. While there are many ways to manage stress, from exercise and meditation to therapy and medication, incorporating certain herbs and spices into our routine can provide a natural and gentle approach to stress relief. Bay leaf, with its calming and soothing properties, is one such herb that can help to ease anxiety and promote relaxation. Bay leaf contains linalool, an essential oil known for its calming and sedative effects. Linalool interacts with our nervous system, reducing the activity of neurotransmitters that contribute to anxiety and stress. Studies have shown that inhaling linalool can reduce anxiety levels, lower blood pressure, and promote relaxation. Incorporating bay leaf into your self-care routine, along with other stress-reducing practices, can contribute to a greater sense of well-being. That wraps up our deep dive into the amazing health benefits of bay leaf. From boosting digestion and supporting respiratory health to reducing inflammation and promoting heart health, this versatile herb has so much to offer. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or health regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more relatable topics. Thanks for watching.